Hello everyone, this is my check-in, my monthly check-in. I'm just strolling in the backyard. We pruned the guava tree. She got a very big haircut, and the other one. And the locusts, they've gone all rotten and the birds are eating from it. And then there's also lots of daisies in the garden and a bird's nest that I said they mustn't touch. And then we hear by the grapevine, they're coming out and we're going to start pruning it. And that means cutting away from the branches, cutting away from the small little grapes that's coming out, and that yields for a sweeter, bigger bunch of grapes. Yeah, it takes about, it's a process over a little while, and by December, I think, I'm not sure, I can't recall now, you have this big bunches of sweet grapes, but I'll keep you updated with that. Okay, and what was I busy making? Well, I started, what I normally do is, here we go. This is tripe curry with butter beans. This I made especially for my daddy. And then Shelly, she loves tripe, but she hasn't eaten it in curry yet. So she's going to have a taste of it. If you want to see how to make it on my YouTube channel, you can just go check that out, the recipe, tripe curry. Look at that. Yummy in my tummy. Yo. Okay, next, Shelly's gonna taste. Someone inboxed me and asked me, what do I keep on the table? There's some nuts. So when we sit here and we a little bit hungry or we feel like snacking, then there's nuts, and I always keep some fruit on the table. There's some more fruit. Go. And if I sound a bit windy, guys, my apologies. I had chemo last week, so I'm still a bit windy, but don't worry, I take it easy, I rest, I sit down, I lay down, yeah, and I of course have amazing help from the people around me, so that makes it easy on me. Okay. No waggels for Shelly. Shelly loves tripe. So it will be her first time eating it in a curry. In a curry. And what I did with the pens is I cooked the pens last month already till it's soft. And then I cut it up, cool it off, and put it in a freezer bag. And then I put it in the freezer. So if you list now to make pens curry of poor cheese of sheep trotters, then it's cooked already.
So good, looks so good.
Koningskos. 2 pakkies, one you can eat today and one you can freeze and then take out when you feel like eating again.
Nice looking good. Yummy in my tummy. So nice.
Shelly, this is one of my favorites. One of my favorites. If Opa has and they still live, you must take with you. No?
You must not eat.
You don't eat pens.
Okay.
He said he don't eat pens. He eats liver but not pens. And he don't eat poor cheese. And he don't eat sheep trotters. Yeah, but he does eat liver. So if there's left, then you can take it.
Thank you.
Pleasure, my baby. Koningskos. This is food for queens and kings. Yeah, I love tripe. Love tripe. Shelly, when December comes, I'll be able to have a little bit of this and that. I'll have some tripe. Can't wait. I can't wait.
So nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you be and enjoy your food. So, guys, this was just a quick check-in, and we love you guys, and have a wonderful day, and be kind and hold on. We're almost there. We're almost there. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.